Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today we are going to replace the brake light in a 2017 Honda Accord. And as a little bonus while we're at it, we're going to also change out, or show you how to change out, a turn signal for the same car. Luckily both of them are located in the same housing inside of the trunk and reasonably easy to get to. In fact, easy enough where it's something that even I can do. All right, let's get started. To access the lights, we need to remove this panel that is covering them, and that are held on by these little rivets here. Now, there's a little trick here to removing those. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and as you look at them, you'll see that there's a slight gap on some of them, and you need to be able to insert your screwdriver into that gap so that you can pop them out easily. You try to do it just from underneath, they're actually stuck in there and they won't come free. Alright, so to gain access to the panel, we're going to pop out our three rivets here. We're going to find our gap. We're going to do a half turn on our screwdriver, quarter turn, pop it out. One there, same here, two, and find the gap. There we go, there's three. Three should be enough. You might need to do more. And then we're going to insert our flathead screwdriver in there and just pop this forward so that we can gain access behind here to our lights. Okay, so this is what you'll see when you open up the compartment, and you'll see three plugs that connect here. This one here is going to be your brake light, and then this one on the top is your blinker, and then this white one here, that's actually the power that goes to the tail light. Now the tail light is not a bulb, that is a I don't know if it's LED, but a light panel of some sort. That is not a bulb that you can change out. So the two that we can work on today are the turn signal and the brake. So we're going to do the brake. So to remove the plug, you're just going to have to grasp it. There's a little latch that you're going to depress. I'll show you that in a second. So the latch is right here. Just push that in. Once you push that, it should pull free. Then to remove the bulb itself, grab a hold of the housing that it's in, and you're going to do a half turn to the left. Not even a half turn, more like a quarter turn. And there's your bulb in its housing. So then this bulb pulls out, and there we go, and we're ready to put in our new bulb. So this is a 7440 from Stanley, and we can just go on Amazon. If you punch in your car make and model, you should be able to find a match. I do have a link for one down below. And then we're going to put that back in. So the smooth side goes to the left, and the other side goes to the right. Stick that in here in the hole. Once it's in there, again, a quarter turn now to the right, and it should be in there securely. And then we'll take our plug and drop that back in there, and we should be back in business. So same thing for the turn signal. Same thing, we're going to depress the little latch. That will allow us to pull the plug out. So same thing with the latch right here. And grab a hold of our housing, quarter turn to the left. And there it is. That's a different kind of bulb. Also pulls out of the housing. So if we replace that one, again, there'll be a link for this down below. Put the new one in. Find the hole, quarter turn to the right, and then reattach our plug. And then once we've done that, everything should be good to go. We'll do a quick test. Alright, we'll give it a quick test here. We'll step on the brake, and there's our light, so we are back in business. Alright, we're ready to close her up. So we're going to fold that back over. This goes underneath the rubber here. Alright, and then you'll see our three holes. We'll make sure those are lined up. We're going to take our rivets and put it into the open position, and then it should just drop in there. You shouldn't have to put a lot of force on this. It just drops in. So that there is a slight trick to it. As you put it in, you want to rock it in. So this part here sort of folds in. So if you press it in on that left side there, it should just go in there nice and easily. Should not be a lot of force. Okay, that's all we have for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate that. If not, a like is always nice, or a comment, always appreciated. So until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.